Imagine global markets rallying just because two economic giants shook hands on trade. Well, that's exactly happening today. The US and Japan have struck a major trade deal under President Trump's leadership, reducing key tariffs and sparking a global stock market rally. The agreement lowers United States tariffs on Japanese auto imports from a proposed 25% to 50%, easing uncertainty. Japan commits to investing $515 billion in the US economy, including infrastructure and energy projects. Major indices respond. Tokyo's Nikkei leaps about 3.5%. European market hit records, and US futures climb higher. This deal sets a precedent for similar upcoming agreements with the EU, China, Philippines, Indonesia, and may ease global trade tensions. According to economists, tariff uncertainty drags on investment and growth. This deal has reduced a major overhang. Historical data shows that 5 to 10% drop in tariffs typically boosts GDP growth by about 0.2% to 0.4% over the next year, especially in export heavy economies. I see this deal as a meaningful boost for global equities, especially Japanese automakers gaining much needed tariff relief. A 50% levy is far less disruptive than the originally proposed 25%, and ending uncertainty is often half the battle. The $515 billion investment plan out only signals confidence but could inject fresh capital into US manufacturing and infrastructure. That kind of scale has the potential to stimulate growth and job creation. And yes, this feels like the start of a ripple effect. If other regions follow with similar deals, it could mark the beginnings of a more coordinated global trade environment. The optimism is what's powering the markets today. The US Japan trade deal has kicked off a wave of global market enthusiasm, boosting auto stocks, Wall Street futures, and investor sentiment. With massive investments and tariff relief, the deal could pave the way for broader trade healing. How do you feel about this? Will this trade deal lead to faster global growth, or is it just a short lived boost? Share your thought below. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the future updates on global trade and finance.